Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and it is my one of the ways to do the practice for spoken English, and I do lots of practices for my spoken English because being a Haryanvi it was not easy for me to start this journey of spoken English, as I shared lots of reasons because of I didn't have any environment to speak with, and I was very used to speak my native language, whether in school or my college, and I have no surrounding to of English, so that's why it was very difficult, and I have lots of fear to learn this language. But as I do these practices and I took step, and after taking that 90-day challenge, I'm literally saying to you, after taking that challenge, there's a lots of changes in me, and I'm very happy to follow my this journey, like this practice also, because it was like I'm sharing something with all of you, and it was literally a very happening thing for me. Like I do my other practices by my own, like writing part and speak in front of a mirror, and like talking to my family members also. So but like making video for YouTube, it was literally good thing, and whenever it was not like that, like I told you about I told you about getting dons on my on my channel and making videos, like you are not getting views, you are not getting subscribers, then why are you making? I'm literally saying, and I'm saying from my heart, because I'm literally enjoying this thing, in the starting, like when I started my this 90-day challenge, I was not happy because at that time I was feeling lots of fear, lots of negativity, and I was not able to speak properly. I was stuck in between, but now like literally I'm feeling very happy. It was like very happening to me making videos, and it was like, as I told you, that it was like I'm sharing something with all of you, and it was very good. I mean, it is very good thing. And I know, what, whenever I do my practices, I can get my mistakes, and I'm able to solve all my mistakes. Yes, it's getting, I know that it's a time taking process, but I'm able to solve all my problems, and there are lots of people on YouTube, so you can learn from them, and you can take steps for yourself. Okay, so today as you know that yesterday I spoke on how routine makes us focused. Okay, and now, like, yes, today I'm going to tell you about something more important that is literally helpful for you. See, why we are not able to get our turning point, why always, I mean, why we delayed to get this point, why we always do procrastination to get our turning point. There is a only one reason, and I always tell this reason, because we are not able to take first step for ourselves. Okay, can you know one thing? When in our childhood, when we started walking, at that time we have to take first step by our own, and you are surprised that, I mean, that, but at that time we were able to take that step, and now, like, we are mature enough to take our first step, but we are not able to take our first step because of lots of fear, that fear of judging, fear of these negativities, lots of negative things we have at that time. So it was literally, and in our childhood we are not thinking so much to take our first step. See how much it is, like irritating thing, but it's literally very very, I mean, uh, good thing. Okay, so we have to be, I mean, we have to be able to ourselves to take that first step. We have I mean, we have to be make our mindset strong enough, so we can take our first step. And like I'm literally saying, and you also feel in our childhood, when we are able to take first step for walking, it literally that journey of running, getting, I mean, the journey of getting running, it was literally easy at that time. And the same process is applies here, because if we are able to take first step, then we are able to get our uh, gist of our journey. Okay, I mean, we are able to uh, get our climax. Okay, and what are the uh, worst thing why we are not able to get? Because the negativity we have in our surrounding, and we are always focused on these negative thoughts, the negative aspects, rather than we have to be focused on positive aspect. And we have those positive aspects, but we can't able to see them, and it's a literally bad thing of us. So just, and I just want to say one thing, there is no need to be see any aspect first. You have to be focused on yourself, how you can maintain your inner, inner side. So you can I mean, you have to be strong enough from your inner, so you have to be take first step. I mean, you know, this is the it is like your pehla kadam. So okay, so this is the thing I want to tell you. Thank you so much, and it's a really good thing that I'm able to. It was literally good thing that I was able to take my first step, and now I'm literally enjoying my this journey. So thank you, Jai Hind.